Uteti wa mwaka wa 2022 no uthiete na mbere na kuhiuhia ngwatira thutha wa atongoria a kiama kia Wiper kuga nimakanyita Kalonzo Musyoka mbaru kihitahitanoini kia mwaka wa 2022. Makiaria hindi ya kuhingura wabici ya kiama giki mwena wa Karen. Atongoria aya nimokiriire ngavana wa Mombatha Ali Hassan Joho kumana na murugamo wake muthenya wa ira ati kiama kia ODM nigikarugamia muhuraniri wa giturwa kia president mwaka wa 2022. Goko ngavana wa Makiuga Kivutha Kibwana akiuga ni mugaru na uiguano rungu rwa ngwataniro ya NASA.
This is very serious stuff. So that is why we would like to know whether Joe was speaking as Joe on his own behalf, or this is a position of ODM. Because if it is a position of ODM, then there is a fundamental breach of the NASA coalition agreement of 2017.
Mwena wake Kalonzo niaugire kiama kiu nikihariirie kuyukia matamu mutongoria mugaru na miaka mihituku kuria kinyitaga mundu mbaru.
In 2002 we are ready to lead this country, but my brother Raila akauliza Kibaki si anatosha, and from that time unajua what happened. So now namna hiyo, so this time hakuna kupata hakuna ati kudhania.
Atongoria nimongereire kuga ati kiama kia Wiper onakio kiri na uhoti wa gutongoria bururi.
Wakati umefika tuchague kiongozi ambaye atapeleka Kenya mbele. Na kiongozi hakuna mwingine ni Kalonzo Musyoka.
Then from Machakos we go to Kenya, where now Wiper will be forming the next government come 2022.
Wiper Party is ready to go every region in Kenya to talk to every political person in Kenya, because we know that you cannot get to State House on your own.
Shegie ungumania kiama giki ni kiugire ni kinyitite mbaru ikinya ria thirikari ria guthurima meikarire ya atongoria thirikari-ini hari kuhurana na ungumania.
We support calls for an immediate lifestyle audit of all top public and state officers. To actualize this, our movement proposes the establishment of a legal framework to guide the process of lifestyle audit.
No na kuri uguo, Kalonzo ni ekirire nganja mutaratara uria ukahuthika guthurima meikarire ya president na munini wake, akiuga gutire na mundu wa kumathurima. Kuhingurwo kwa wabici ino njeru ni kionereria gia kiambiriria kieru thiini wa kiama giki hari uteti wa 2022. Anyiti mbaru a kiama giki makirwo magacirithie unyitaniri na urumwe. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwagi.